Erectile dysfunction affects millions of men worldwide, and for many of them, medications don't work, injections feel intrusive, and the condition quietly takes a toll on confidence, relationships, and quality of life. But there is a permanent solution, one that has helped men reclaim their intimate lives completely. It's called a penile implant. In this video, we'll cover everything: how it works, what the surgery involves, what life looks like after, the cost, and the best doctors and hospitals in India. A penile implant, also called a penile prosthesis, is a surgically placed device inside the penis that allows a man with erectile dysfunction to achieve an erection whenever he chooses. It is recommended when all treatments like oral medications, injections, and vacuum devices have failed to provide results. There are two main types. The first is a inflatable penile implant, the most popular choice. Two cylinders go inside the penis, a small pump sits in the scrotum, and a fluid reservoir is placed in the abdomen. Squeeze the pump for an erection. Release it when you're done. It looks and feels completely natural. The second is the semi-rigid or malleable implant. Flexible rods are placed inside the penis. It stays firm at all times but can be bent up and down as needed. Simple, reliable, and long-lasting. Both types are fully concealed inside the body. No one can enter from outside. The procedure is straightforward and takes between 1 to 3 hours under general anesthesia. The surgeon makes a small incision either at the base of the penis or in the lower abdomen and places the implant components carefully inside the body. The incision is then closed with dissolved stitches. The patient typically stays in a hospital for 1 to 2 days. After the discharge, most patients remain in India for 1 to 2 weeks for monitoring and initial recovery. Most men can return to work within 2 to 4 weeks and resume full sexual activity within 4 to 6 weeks of surgery. The success rate is between 80 to 90% with zero recurrence. Once the implant is in place, it works. This is the part that matters the most. Most men who receive a penile implant report a dramatic improvement in quality of life. No more planning around medications, no injections, no waiting. The implant gives men complete control, an erection whenever they want, for as long as they want. Studies show that patient satisfaction rates for penile implant are among the highest of any urological procedure, with over 90% of men and their partners reporting satisfaction after the surgery. The implant does not affect urination, sensation, or the ability to orgasm. It simply restores the mechanical ability to have an erection. And because the device is fully internal, it is completely private. In the United States or the UK, a penile implant surgery can cost between $20,000 to $30,000 or more. In India, the same procedure performed by highly experienced urologists in accredited hospitals cost approximately $10,000 to $15,000 all inclusive. That includes the surgery, implant, hospital stay, and post-operative care. Significant savings with no compromise on quality of the implant or the expertise of the surgeon. India's top urology centers are equipped to perform penile implant surgery with international standards of care. Medanta the Medicity Gurugram, Fortis Hospital Gurugram, Apollo Hospitals New Delhi and Chennai, BLK Max Super Speciality Hospital New Delhi. All these hospitals are NABH accredited and most of them also hold the JCI accreditation. They follow strict international protocols for sterility, implant handling, and patient safety, which are the critical factors for long-term success of this procedure. India has a highly specialized group of urologists and andrologists with extensive experience in penile implant surgery. Dr. Vikram Sharma, New Delhi, a pioneer in andrology and male sexual dysfunction treatment with over 36 years of experience. Dr. Rajesh Kumar Ehlawat, Gurugram, one of India's most respected urologists with over 48 years of experience. Dr. Ashish Sabharwal, New Delhi, a leading robotic urologist with expertise spanning prostate surgery, erectile dysfunction, and penile implants. Dr. Rajesh Taneja, New Delhi, a highly specialized and experienced urologist with 27 years of practice, a member of review panel of the Indian Journal of Urology. Dr. Anant Kumar, 35 years of experience in urology and kidney transplant. He is currently the chairman of Uro-Oncology and Robotic Kidney and Transplantation at Max Hospital, Saket, New Delhi, and Max Hospital, Vaishali. When you come through Vaidam Health, we connect you with right specialists based on your specific condition and medical history before you even book your travel. Vaidam Health has helped patients from over 140 countries access world-class medical care in India. We understand that this is a deeply personal decision. Everything is handled with complete privacy, sensitivity, and discretion from the moment you reach out to us.